Hey everyone, this is Andre with Garage Door Guidance again. Recently I did a video on how to change the circuit board on a Craftsman die-hard battery backup belt drive. That's the one I've got here in front of me. And at the end of the process of changing the circuit board, you do have to reprogram the limits. So on this particular motor, there's a black square and there's a purple square, and that's how you set the limits on this particular garage door opener. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. So you're either going to need the garage door remote for this, or you're going to need the wall control. Okay, so we're ready to set the limits. As you can tell, my trolley is pretty much where I would want it to be in the open position anyhow. So I'm going to press and hold the black square. 1, 2, let go. Now it's ready to be programmed for the up position. You just kind of toggle the purple and black buttons to get it where you would want it. So let's just say this is where we want it. From there, you push either the remote or the wall control, but I will be doing the remote. That's going to start to activate it. It's going to start to close, and from there you push the purple button, and that's going to tell it where to stop. So you'll use the purple button to bring it to a close and go from there. So let's go ahead and do that. So you see how it started to activate it. We're going to go ahead and bring it to where we would want it. I'm just going to go ahead and slide it all the way down. So I just held the purple button until I got it to somewhere where I would want it in terms of having it closed. Obviously this would be in the completely closed position on your door. From there, you push the remote or the wall control again. So that brought it up to where I set the open. You push it again to bring it to a close. Perfect. So that's exactly where I set it. I set it in those two positions, and once you ran it all the way up and all the way down, you can do this one more time. Just bring it all the way up, all the way down. As far as operating your garage door goes, you operate it once, and that should be pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much all in terms of programming the limits on the Craftsman die-hard battery backup belt drive garage door opener. If that was helpful and you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you could subscribe to the channel. Appreciate the support. I want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.